Right, here I am down at the West Paseo on March 30, 2022. Getting ready to shoot for the day, check out what's going on. We're into week number 23 of major construction here. Alrighty. And they're continuing their rebar work down here. Just to go down. This gentleman's doing rebar tying, getting the rebar ready to go, so they'll be pouring concrete down here sometime in the not too distant future. Getting this fixed up. This, I believe, is going to be the ramp that runs up across here to allow entry into these to this elevated building here that now holds the tile store, once held Savino Winery. So this is what we got going on down here in the West Paseo. You step up here a little bit higher. And back around here a little bit. Getting more familiar with my Zhiyun Smooth 5 here today, so getting a little more quicker on setup. And there's a hummingbird right there coming over to the cooler. Cool. Let me move on down here just a little bit. Down the West Paseo here. This is going to be my last shoot of March, I think. I'm not going to be able to come up here on the 31st, so today will be my last shoot down here. So something going on with my let me step out here. Down through the Paseo. Time now is 9:01 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. So I'm using FiLMiC Pro to shoot with, is what I always do. Last night there was an update to FiLMiC Pro, which now allows native access to the Zhiyun Smooth 5. So you can use you can control more of it with the application now. But I tried it last night and there were some issues that concerned me. So one of them was the big focus zoom wheel on the side. If you're if you have it switched on to use the app natively, the FiLMiC Pro with the Zhiyun, if you accidentally bump that wheel, then your focus can get locked up or messed up. So right now I'm not gonna use it natively. I'm just gonna use it unpaired right now. Seems like it causes less problems for me. Right, this is what we have going on down here in the West Paseo. I'm not sure how much I'm going to shoot around today. But I'm going to end this here, and then Maybe I'll just walk on around to my usual spots, try to get everything covered today. Okay. Right here I am down in front of the Old Town Tavern, shooting across the fence. Doing some trench work down here. That's what I'm seeing here. All right, and move on around to the end down here. Look over the fence here. That's what I'm seeing on the end in the Brown and Main here. Alrighty, I'm gonna end this here. Right here I am at the back construction entrance, the West Paseo, shooting. Back across the way there's where they're doing the rebar work right now. So they got that all cut off in front of the building, so I think that'll be the where the ramp is going to end up going up there along that foundation that they're building. So that's my understanding. And back over there, the A-line building, which I think I discussed on what's today, Wednesday? Monday, I think. Will eventually in the future that'll be torn down, and they'll build apartments there. So it seems like that'll be kind of messy, but we'll see. All right, here I am coming up on AZ 88 out of the parking structure. My shot in here. All right, heading into the West Bowl here. See what's happening over here. Go over the fence. Pan around here in the West Bowl. See what's happening. Can't really see, but what's on the phone. So that's what we got here. Gonna move on up to my Stair perch here. Right here I'm up on my Stair perch at the West Bowl. Not really much happening in the West Bowl itself. Pretty quiet. Stuff happening on the West Paseo end, and I'll climb up here a little bit higher. See what's happening down towards the East Bowl area. I'm gonna try to hit most of my perches today. Looks like we do have some activity down in the East Bowl. Looks like they're digging and making their dirt pile down there much larger. I think I'll take a moment to switch to my telephoto lens and shoot down there. Alright, here I am on my telephoto lens shooting down into the East Bowl. Let's see what we got going on here. I'll be down there in a little bit, see what I can shoot down there in the East Bowl, see what's going on. But this is what we got going on here. Down into the East Bowl, back over there. Alrighty, I'm going to finish this up here and then I'm going to move on back around and go down to the East Bowl. Okay, here I am down at the North Gate now, shooting with my iPhone. Checking out what's going on down here. I can see some activity over in the East Bowl back over there. If I get this tree out of my way. Still on my telephoto lens here. So this is what we got going on down here in the North Gate area. Also, I'm going to point out something straight ahead of me now. Those light towers down there are Scottsdale Stadium. That's where the San Francisco Giants play their home games during spring training. Tomorrow there's a home game, and Friday there's a home game, and then I think April 5th there's a home game. And then April 5th, I believe, is the last day of spring training. Then by April 7th, all the teams are back in their home ballparks or traveling to a park for the opening of baseball season. So this is what we got going on down here. I'm just going to move around here a little bit and move around here a little bit and shoot over in front of City Hall. Alrighty. Right, here I am down in front of City Hall now, shooting over towards the East Bowl, the social hub there where the dirt's all piled up. Looks like more trench digging is still going on. Pan around here. Across Civic Lawn down into the West Bowl area. This is what we got going on down here right now. We go on down here to the East Bowl, shoot back from the east end of the East Bowl there, and see what I can find out about what they're doing down there. Alrighty. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl, shooting over the fence. Managed to get into my normal spot here today. It doesn't seem like there's any construction activity down here, so looks like I can get away with getting in here today anyway. Get around the East Bowl here. Looks like they got more gravel in. Gravel usually means storm drain, I think. So this is what we got going on down here in the East Bowl today. I think this might be my last spot to shoot today. This is my last day to shoot for March, so probably won't be able to get back up here till April 5 or 4, something like that, into a new month. So this is going to finish off March. Piling up more dirt. So I think I'm going to finish this off here. Probably call it a day. Was thinking about going over the library steps, but I'm not sure it's worth the effort. Let's finish up here for today. This will be good. This will finish off the month of March. Alrighty. Next time I'm back up here, it'll be April.